Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use AI to generate your professional headshot. AI generated headshots are computer generated image that use artificial intelligence algorithms to enhance and transform selfies into high quality portraits. These AI models analyze facial features, skin tones, and other elements to create realistic and aesthetic headshots. Many users are sharing their AI generated headshots on social media like Twitter. And for those wondering how they did it, well, the AI based app Remini has got you covered on this. So, those who are interested and want to try out this trend can do so with Remini app by following these. First, open the Remini app and navigate to the AI Photos section. Tap on Generate My Photos option. And now, you'll be prompted to upload selfies from your device's photo library. Upload at least 12 high-quality selfies that clearly displays your face. Choose a model and generate headshots photos. And that's all. Now, wait for the app to generate the results. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.